Hi, I'm Lexi and this is Phantom Films, and today we'll be teaching you how to ollie. If you don't know what an ollie is, it's just a simple pop like this. The first step to doing an ollie is to lean onto the tail of your board and into a manual position like this. After you feel comfortable with the first step, the second step is to slide your toes to the bolts at the nose end of the board like this. Once you've got that, the final step is to do all of that with a hop to it, like this. And that's how you do an ollie. If you learnt something from this video, give it a like. And to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye! The first thing... this.